See this, guys. I have just earned $5. You can see. You can check out my balance and it's absolutely free, guys. You can see. What do I need to do? I just want to join this website, do the registration, do some surveys and shopping, and I'm getting paid on my PayPal account instantly. Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn money online by just doing some simple tasks in your free time and you are getting paid. Okay, just follow along. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online with this website. And you can see, guys, by just registering for this website you are just getting paid $5. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. And with this you can earn by doing surveys, shopping, and you can also earn some offers. You know, guys, you can if you are doing online shopping, okay, so it's genuine website which gave you some offers like 40% off, 50% off on whatever you can buy. Okay, so it's absolutely genuine website. It's not that which will make you hundreds of dollars, but it's worth it because this website is going to offer you some coupons. Okay, shopping coupons. So get your money. You can also receive your money if you do not want to shop. You can also get your payment in your PayPal account. If you do not have any PayPal account, guys, just write down in the comment section. I'll show you step by step how you can make. Okay, so let's begin, guys. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of brands, okay, which are giving you most of the shopping discounts. Okay, so guys, what you need to do right now? Just click on this join now. Just click on this join now. And you are redirected to this page. Okay, guys, I just need to enter my name, email ID, password, and just do the password confirmation. And you just need to type this alphabets here for the captcha type. Okay, and I just quickly do it. Okay, so I did it. Just write it. Okay, just click on this I agree the terms and conditions and just click on this register. And guys, you are redirected to this page. I just need to reconfirm my mail ID. Okay, for that I just need to go to my email ID and just click on the activation link. So I quickly do it. So guys, this is a confirmation and the activation link. You just need to click on this activation link and you are good to go. Okay, so you can see, guys, just by doing some small steps I'm getting redirected to this. You can see, guys, I can earn $5. Just wait, guys, you just need to enter your details. Okay, and I just recommend you to give genuine details, guys. Okay, so that you are getting paid for that. Okay, your PayPal account, email ID, you just need to give. Okay, I just gave it. Okay, the password is there. City, I just need to type in. Okay, I just type in. And the gender, I just need to type in. Date of birth. Guys, these informations are very important. Okay, because it's a genuine website. Okay, make sure that you enter the details genuine, so that, guys, you do not fall into trouble. Okay, so your elementary school. Okay, are you married or just type single? Okay, yourself. You are employed. I just type in teacher. Okay. How many family including you? Okay, 3. Household. So I just need to type in, guys. You just need to type good amount of. I just prefer you to enter this because, guys, if your income is good, then there are more chances that you are getting more offers and better discount service. Okay. So just click on this 100k to 130k. Okay. Just click on this checkbox and just click on the save your data. So guys, there are several changes that I should made on my email ID. I just go in my email ID. Okay, and you can see, guys, I should need to do some confirmations. Okay, I just need to do some confirmation. Just click on this this thing and yes, guys, and you can see, guys, just doing some confirmation, you can see I get $5. Okay, just filling my details and you are good to go. Okay, and it's a genuine website, guys. Okay, don't worry if you fall in trouble. Okay, you can see, guys, doing some surveys. Okay, survey name, what you need to do, just earn up to this much. Just need to click on this. Okay, so it's a genuine website, guys. You just need to perform some surveys. You can see a small surveys, guys, just MCQs you just need to give. Okay, just confirm the policies and all, guys. I just wanna tell you, guys, it's the best earning source that you can get. Okay, spend your time on these, hover over new things. Okay, guys, don't feel it like I don't get I'm not there to do surveys. Guys, surveys will not only will give you money, by the way, it will also give you some insights, some knowledge as well. So give it to your kids. They are playing around and don't tell them that you are earning money. Just spend your time, give your kids to that, and they are doing the survey, so that, guys, while you are doing other things which I am making videos on, you are getting paid. So this is a good opportunity, guys, while you are spending your time on entertainment. See this, guys, you just need to give your age. Okay, just you need to give your age and you are good to go, guys. It's absolutely amazing, guys. I do not have to do anything. Okay, I'm not have to do anything. You can see, just answering some simple question, just filling this captcha, I'm getting paid. And it's absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely. Okay, do not have to do anything. You do not have to do anything. You do not have to spend hours and hours and hours on this website. Okay, you just need to give which year you born. Just enter this thing. Why I'm showing you this kind of things, guys, because lots and lots of my subscribers are asking me a question that, say, please show me step by step how to perform these kind of things. Okay, what is the hour of the day? So it's 9 a.m. Okay, so just post it. Okay, I have some primary and secondary education I have completed. Guys, show them more qualification, because if you are more qualified, then you are exposed to different things. Okay, so college degree and to find some rights. So guys, you can now do answer and some simple questions. Okay, I'm showing you some different ways to earn money. Okay, so guys, another way to earn from this website is just go on this shops. Okay, just click on this shops and you can see, guys, whatever you want to buy. You can see whatever you want to buy, whether it is clothing, jewelry, photos, vacation, weddings, you are getting a good amount of discount. You can see food and drinks. Okay, you can see clothes and accessories. there are lots and lots of companies which are affiliated to this, cosmetics, electronics and games. Okay, people who want to buy something, so you can buy and shop from this website also. Okay, get the discount, and from this website you are redirected to that page and do the shopping. Okay, and don't worry guys, if you are not getting enough money, don't worry about it. You can even withdraw your amount to your PayPal account. You all know these things. Okay, I've shown you how much you can request your amount. Okay, you can see the transactions button. Just click on this personal details and click on this transactions, and till now I have not done any transaction, so don't worry guys. Okay, so I can transact all this thing. I just click on this withdraw, and if I want to make out the cash, just click on this make out cash, and it will redirected me to my PayPal account. That simple guys. Okay, so it's a genuine website guys. Okay, it does not contain any kind of affiliation. Okay, and you can even earn money by just inviting your friends as well. Okay guys. Okay, if you want to invite your friends, you can see guys, you just need to copy this link. Okay, and guys, what you need to get, you can see you will get 10% of your friends earning. Okay, so let us suppose guys, basically by doing registration you are getting $5. Okay, I just need to calculate. Okay, just pay attention, more attention on this website. Okay, so let us suppose guys, I'm showing you how to generate a traffic, genuine traffic. Okay, so I'm getting $5, and 10% of $5 is 10% of 0.1%. Okay, so 0.5 cents, or we can say $0.5 I'll get. Okay, that's simple. If I just refer, let us suppose guys, 100 of my friends, I'm getting $50 by just referring. Get this thing. Okay, if I am referring 1,000 people, how I just show you step by step. Don't worry guys, you do not need to bog down. 500, and it's absolutely amazing guys. Okay, more than 1,000 people, I'll show you where to post your link. Okay, what to do and where to do. Okay, people are actually earning a good amount of money from this. You can see just guys, just click on this FB account. Okay, just come up on this FB, and I'll show you how you can do it. Okay guys, from 1,000 people, because guys, they are earning $5 instantly, and you are getting their payment by just doing registration. Don't worry if they are not attending any surveys. Okay, I just come up in this earn money. Okay, just I type earn money, just this hashtag I just need to type in, and guys, lots and lots of people are there who just want to earn money from this website. Okay, don't worry about this thing that guys, sir, I'm not finding anyone. Guys, there are lakhs and lakhs of people out there who just want money. You can see this group. I just need to just want to join this group, and you can see 10,000 members. Okay, 10,000 members from this group. You can see there are hundreds and hundreds of groups out there. Okay, you can see guys, 15,000. Okay, so it's absolutely genuine guys. You just need to join this group. You can see online earning. Okay, 39,000 members. Okay, just have a set of 10,000 to 15,000 people, and even guys, if you show your coupons to this website, you can say that by just signing up on this website, you are getting paid $5 as well as some discount coupons. Guys, traffic is generated, burst out. What do you need to post? I just show you. Okay, just come up, join this group, and you just need to post publicly. I just want to tell you guys, make your post public. Okay, just come up in this and you just need to make it public. Okay guys, okay, anyone out there, even people whom you are not affiliated with, you do not have to post earn money online on their group. You can post it on your own timeline and they are redirected, they are eventually see your post. Okay, you can type in here, earn $5 quickly and get online shopping. Just pay more attention to this. Online shopping coupons free, guys, and just post your link where it is. Just post your this is my link, where it is. This is my link. Okay, so this is my link. I just need to copy this link and just you need to paste it, guys. That's it. You do not have to do anything, just post it and you are good to. Just need to post it and you are good to. Okay, it's absolutely amazing, guys, because I just want to tell you guys, you guys are amazing. You can do it even hundreds of times. Okay, if you want to change your some personal details, you can do it as well. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. I just want to tell you guys, just subscribe to my channel, and if you are having any doubts, just comment down below. I'm going to help you to earn money online absolutely free of cost. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, guys.